Hello everyone, I'm going to make a quick video showing you two things. First, how do you import the template into your RStudio Cloud? And two, how do you import your Islanders dataset into your RStudio Cloud, specifically into the Quarto document? So I'm going to share my screen now so that I walk you through those two things that I just said. So that's me sharing my screen. So the first thing you want to do is go to Canvas, obviously, and then open your course, then go to Files, then go to Course Documents, and then, so datasets are here and templates are going to be there. So the first template that I want is, of course, the Lab 1 report. So click on there, and you should be able to download it. So mine appears as Lab 1 report with a 2 because I already have some other download there, so I don't care. So just click or save. So it's now going to my downloads. Next, how do you import it into your RStudio Cloud? So I'm going to open a new tab in my browser and then open RStudio Cloud. That takes a minute to load. There you go. I have my project here. So open that project. And here we go. So usually I like to clean up these areas sometimes, just in case there's some code from previous activity or stuff like that. But so to import anything, you come to this lower right panel here, and then see there's the upload. So click there, then go to choose file. So my files go to downloads, basically like that. Wherever some people have their downloads going to some other places, desktop and things like that. So if that's you, make sure you navigate to the correct place. So mine is downloads, as you can see. I click there and then open. Then okay. So you will notice down here that I have Lab 1 report with a 2 because I had done this over and over again. So this is what I actually brought in right now, this document here, okay? And it even has a date and a time, September 8, 11, 14, that's right now. So yeah, and if you want to see that document, just click on it and it opens here. And let me minimize the console. So here, this is what it looks like. We have question 1, question 2, question 3, and the associated code chunks, etc. So that's how you import your document. You're going to write your answers in the code chunks. Yeah, so number 2, how do you import the data set that we need for this lab? Same process. First of all, download it from Canvas. So going back to files and course resources. This time around, I go to datasets and I do Islanders 1. That's the dataset that we are going to use. So click there. And now I'm able to download. So it comes as Islanders 1 with another 1. So I want to edit that just because when I'm writing the code, I will use Islanders 1. I don't want to use Islanders 1 into parentheses another 1. So you know why I do that. So save. It says there's already something there, but I will replace it. Doesn't matter. Okay, so it's now downloaded. How do I get it into RStudio? That's the next question. Same process. Come here to upload, then choose file. It's right here, Islanders 1 in the downloads. Click on it, then open, and then hit OK. The upload will overwrite the file. I don't care because I already did it, so it will overwrite. So yes. Yeah, so it has been uploaded into RStudio Cloud, but we have not loaded it into the quarter document. So you have to know that distinction. So what we do now, I can see it here. It's right here. If you, like, you can double click on it if you want, but how about going to File, Import Dataset from Excel. So I'm just importing this dataset into the quarter document. So you have to make that distinction really well. So browse there. Then I just look for it here. I know these are my files that are already in RStudio Cloud. So I'm looking for Islanders one. Open. And so once you're here, you can already see the data set. You want to copy these 2 lines of code, you know, like it's a way to create a path to the document in the quarter file. So I want to copy that. Okay, then just say import. So it already pops up here, but you can also see it here. So you can always click there and you read the data set. It has name, it has age, employment, education, marital status, etc. And take notice of how the variables are spelled, because you will need to know that. Okay, so I can go back to the lab document that I've been working with. I don't need that. And yeah, so what I will do now, okay, I mean, this is a comment, this is commented out. You can leave that or just add another. Now paste the code that you copied from the import section. So paste it there. So see, read Excel, which is like a package for reading Excel documents, and Islanders one, the data set is already there. So let me run this to just see. Okay, it looks like everything is fine. I just train it and it works. So the data is already there. And so now you should be ready to work on the lab, like use the filter function to create a new data set with only Islanders that are married. So this data frame as married Islanders. So you go to the lab 1 guide in OneNote and you will follow through, and some of those that code can be modified and then applied these questions as needed. So that's all for this video. Bye-bye.